Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to turn your black plastic, or if you have a black bumper trim on your car, then I'm going to teach you guys on how to turn into black. See, this is a residue that is caused from the water, so from the sediment. And since I did the tray already, I'm going to show you guys a quick tutorial on how to do this. First of all, I poured white vinegar in here, and then after that I'm going to dry it up and then use this white mineral oil so I can make it all like black. So let's go ahead and do this. So I just use a toothbrush, my old toothbrush, to get all the white stuff out. So we're gonna let that sit for a little bit, and then I'll come back. Alright, I'm gonna use this old sponge to kind of dry it up first. And then I'm gonna pour some the white mineral oil onto the same sponge. As you can see, it's pretty super black now. So anyway, let's go ahead and move out to the car and then show you guys. Alright, so we're over here outside. As you can see, the bumper, after you wash so many times, you got all those water residue, and it's like white. So the bumper is no longer black anymore. So let's go ahead and pour some of this white mineral oil and then show you guys the difference. Alright, as you can see the difference, it looks like a brand new bumper now. Here's a close-up look without mineral oil, with mineral oil. Yeah, first I was trying to buy the one that I sell at Target or Walmart. You make the trim black. I was like, wait a minute. I did that to my refrigerator and it stays black. Why do I need to spend another like $10 to $12 a bottle to make my trim to look black? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.